Hiya, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're okay. It's May, it's 2006 and we're still in North Wales. We're just passing through Harlech at the minute. We just thought while we've got a chance we'd take you for a walk up the UK's steepest street. So there you go, there's Harlech Castle. Now this used to be, what was it, the world's steepest street at 28.6 degrees. And it's a 25-degree incline. And if I'm right, it's one way, but we're going to walk up it anyway. I don't know how far Rachel will keep along with me, but we'll give it a go. The road is Fourth Harlech, if that's my correct Welsh pronunciation. And it runs up into, it zigzags up into the side of Harlech, up to Harlech town, and then just very slightly above. And I think the way that we'll come back down will be the way that we've gone back up as well. I think when we get to the zigzags I'll spin around and just show you how steep it is. I'm saying this is a one-way street, I think it is. I'll find out when I get to the top. Views of the golf course and the beach over there. Rachel's definitely doing the best at keeping up with me, aren't you? It's a public footpath down to the main road. Great view of Harlech Castle there. My legs are starting to burn. Yours? Your legs starting to burn. It's snowed. Indeed you can, yep. See Snowdon off in the horizon. Now this is as bad as the Killer Mile up Marcop. And another zigzag. Car coming. Water running off the side of the hills there, coming through the town. Some wonderful little cottages tucked away on the side of the hill. We started to slow down, haven't we? It's getting steep. Well, there's been plenty of traffic coming at me, so it must be one way. So we're nearly at the top. We're just by the castle. That statue there is the statue of the two kings, the Mabinigan, I can't say that, Mabinigan story of Branwen. There's a lament over the folly and the carnage of war. Branwen, sister of Bendigeidfran, the King of Britain, departed from the court at Harlech to marry the King of Ireland. Their son, the boy and the King Gwern, were killed in the war which followed. In the sculpture, the figure of Bendigeidfran, bearing the body of his nephew Gwern, symbolises the sorrow and the burden that can be love. 1984. Apologies for my lack of Welsh. You ready, dear? It's the relatively new access ramp onto Harlech Castle. Been there a good 10 years now. So this is coming up into Harlech town centre, just by the crossroads. Oh yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Post box topper. Award-winning ice cream made in Harlech. I think that might be a treat on the way back down. Seasons and Reasons. That shop's been there quite a while. Views down to the railway and the estuary across there.
There's the shop at the top of the street.
Indeed, yeah. The shop at the top of the street in the world, steepest street in the world. It does, yeah, I just saw that, yeah, 40% on that. Shall we just nip across to the very top? Fancy an ice cream on the way back down, do you?
Yeah.
I think we must be nearly there now. I think we'll top out here anyway. That is incredible. The shape of the house built into the wall, into the hill like that. There we go, and that just goes off into the hills. So that's looking down. So there you go, that's the steepest street in the UK in Harlech. Harlech, if I've hopefully pronounced that right. But thanks very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to get an ice cream now and get my breath back. But hopefully see you soon, thanks, bye now.